Hi there guys and welcome to Pulse. So I've been craving some of my favourite campus treats and today I'm going to be making a classic UNSW meal from home. We're going to be whipping up a White House pizza, some Subway cookies and a Boost juice. Let's get cooking. So the first step for our pizza, we're going to get some caster sugar, 1 sachet of yeast, 1 cup of water, and your pizza's ready. Good job, sis, good job.
How's this go with our health regulations?
It's very health regulations-y. It's just like looking at it. Yeet. Pour the dough onto the surface. Yum! Knead it into our pizza base. Then we're just gonna start throwing it in the air. Eat! How easy was that? The first topping I've got is some tomato sauce. We've got some mozzarella cheese. Presentation is key, everyone. Presentation is key, which is why I dress like a hobo at uni. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna chuck it in the oven for around 15 to 20 minutes. Right, so for the cookies today, it's a pretty complicated process. Try keep up. I'm just gonna chop the ends off the cookie dough, squeeze it out one end, chop it right down the middle. Make sure you spread the cookies out, because if you don't, they're all just gonna merge into one. You're just gonna have one big cookie. That's a good idea. Right, let's put it in the oven. So now we're gonna get onto the Boost juice. We're just gonna do 200 approximate mils of milk, about a cup of ice, half a pack of yogurt. Break my banana into like 4 pieces. Then last ingredient is some chocolate. So we're just gonna shave it for a bit of flavour. And then once the place is an absolute mess, we get onto the blending. So first we're gonna try the pizza, a bit more chunky than the White House pizza, so let's see what's wrong with it. It's somehow come out fluffy, and it's not bad. I'm gonna give that an 8 out of 10. And the basil has turned crunchy. It's lovely. Next, we've got the cookies. Let's give this a try. Not as soft as Subway. They're all quite hard. I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie here. It's not very banana-y and it's not very chocolatey. It tastes like milk and ice, so it's okay. I'm gonna give it a 4. 8, 3 and 4. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and eat my feast now. It's not bad, but let's be real, it's not as good as the real deal. Can't wait to get back on campus and be eating my favorite UNSW treats. See you later. Eat.